What's your percentage at?
19. Kid, my nephew.
Yeah.
It's his birthday today. We're having cake and ice cream.
Right now? Coming up?
No,
Today?
yeah.
In a couple hours?
No, when he gets home from work. He's bringing cake.
How old is he turning? Is he? We're ending up at Santa's workshop. Lemon. We need to get past this turn. Not that. But that's his name. But without him seeing us, what?
You know what the thing my crackers reminds me of?
Dude, don't say it.
Not.
Hi.
You're not getting cracked by a cracker.
Okay, I'm risking it staying there. He's about to turn back. Oh, you ran too? I'm risking it, Roman. I'm risking it. Ah, he sees me. How did you just teleport you?
Paralyzed.
Or is it because of the hitbox? Oh. What's the...
My character's not bad.
What? Fairy, hey you.
What up? I'm gonna give you my stomach.
I can tell you how to get out of here. But first I want you to help me. With mental? I don't know. Okay, how can we help you?
Is your mom fat?
You see, my friends have been locked up here. I think we have to save her friends. Where's your father?
Here, I need.
Is the TV hooked up? What? So we can watch TV?
Not right now.
But we can though?
Not right now.
So what are we going to do? Oh, sleeping in here? This is your room, right?
No. Until February, it's his room.
It's gonna be your room?
Yeah.
I thought it was yours.
When you're in the war zone.
The war?
Yeah, war.
What war?
World War 4.
World War 4! When World War 3 hasn't happened, okay. Oh, we have to save our friends. Oh,
Help.
I got cancer real one.
Stop.
Okay. Yes. Mommy, open the door. That's weird.
Teddy.
I got the last one though.
Hi, Nutty Cracker.
Say it.
Okay, we found all the things.
Let's go to the empty room. Oh, Mommy, watch out. How did you get over there? Before me. The door is locked. I'm over here.
Maybe we could try going through the vent.
But we need a crowbar to pry open it. Whose room is this right now?
I think I saw one.
I think I saw one. I think I saw one.
I think I saw one.
I think you saw one in another room. I got it. Don't worry. Go back.
I got it. I think I saw one.
Ow!
I'll get it.
Alright, okay, I'll be. And I got it either way. I got it either way, Roman. You just, Roman, come in. Roman, don't leave.
What's happening?
He got to you.
Wait for me, Olivia.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, you got cat. Don't worry. No, I'm not waiting for you because we're both about to teleport here.
Let's go.
I'm gonna go for the vent myself because I can teleport you there. Okay?
I'm already in them.
Where am I going?
Somebody's
Oh no, not Pakistanis. Quick run, quick and run.
You're behind me. I'm running city.
I see him. Oh, I see him now. Escape him. We're back in the beginning room. Oh no. Quick, let's quickly look for something to break the cages down. Ah!
A hammer.
I got it. We got the hammer.
I can get it. Wow.
Oh, it's still coming.
Oh no. Kill him.
I think I just survived that. I don't know what just happened to him, but I somehow you break the cages down. Alright, I got the first two, you get the rest. Dashing through the snow when the wonder opens. Sing it with me. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Through the fields we go, laughing all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What?
He's right here.
Is it good? Oh
no. I'm at the teddy.
Don't mind swords if you can. Oh, thank you for freeing me. Thank you for freeing my friends. Now, I will tell you how to get out of here. Imagine she says we can't. There is an exit door in the back of the main room.
I want to hear.
Your name That's what I heard. Oh, you heard it? Oh my gosh, you should have told me. I don't care if you heard it. And thank you again. Who's there?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Nacho.
Nacho.
I mean, Mom.
Nacho.
Nacho.
Right now, it's
Nacho, Mom.
We need to look for these blocks. I got.
Hey, yo.
What?
That's weird.
What?
Block?
What's weird about blocks?
It's from the same type of block.
It's okay, dude. And look, Mama, he's just not. He doesn't want to get me anymore. We're best friends, right? Yeah, see, we're best friends. Look.
guys do it. I'm placing the block.
You get that side, I'll get this side. How about that? You did it, Rowan.
Now we can finally escape.
The two fairy grabbed us. Oh, Roman. Roman, say your line. Where are we? Something's wrong.
I found lava.
Oh no! Listen to the big lead. You'll never leave! Don't worry. I'll be the floor. Stop. I'm going. You're using this! Well, thank you. That doesn't work enough. Because if I win, if you win, if I win, how can I know about this one? Oh. It's so long, Mister. Oh, what? What's your name again? Mister. Now cut your goodbye. I think we got this one. Now let's see how we get out of here. Alright, you want to get... Well, that was fun playing Roblox and stuff, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.